CR1522's target tracking feature can automatically track up to 50 targets at the same time, and warn you when detecting an upcoming collision. You can also save the tracks of other vessels, which may be used as the evidence for a collision accident or as a reference of other vessels' track for fishing. Before starting using TT, we need to set up alarms. Press Menu. Select Alarms. Choose whether to include TT targets into collision alarms. Then, set guard zone or boundaries to define the target tracking range. Guard zones are fan-shaped or ring-shaped areas. You can set up 2 guard zones at once. And for boundaries, area and circle support TT. You can set up multiple boundaries for target tracking at once. To acquire a TT target manually, use the control pad to move the cursor to the target. And press ACQ. Then, press back. You can see that the target is marked and shows its GPS heading. To automatically acquire TT targets, press Menu. Select Other Vessels. TT. Auto Acquire. Choose how many targets you want to acquire. Like Auto 20 means automatically acquiring up to 20 TT targets. Then, choose the type or area of the targets you want to acquire. After enabling TT, you will see a symbol on each target. They represent acquiring the target, target acquired, target's GPS heading, target in dangerous range, closest point of approach and time to closest point of approach, target lost. To save the track of your tracking target, press Menu. Select Other Vessels. List. Select the TT target. Save trail as track. And it is saved. You can edit it or navigate there. Later, if you want to view or use this track, press Menu. Select Navigation Info. Tracks. Saved tracks. Select the track you want to edit or navigate. And that's it. Thanks for watching.